Hey everybody. So I just got done using the new Premiere feature on YouTube. I don't know if this is available to everyone yet. I don't know if they're still testing it. I assume they're still testing it. But I want to give my feedback on it. So essentially, I think it's an awesome idea. I really like it. For those of you who don't know what it is, it's the ability to like chat with your subscribers when you upload a video. There's like a little chat box on the right-hand side. Looks pretty much the exact same as a live stream page. And then you guys can talk and stuff when the stream, initially when the, like for the first time it plays, once it's gone live. And then the chat box goes away and it just becomes a normal video. It's a really good way to like engage your subscribers and get feedback on the video, see what people think. But there are a few things that I think downside to it, and just some like, I don't know if they're bugs or whatever. Some things about it that might make people not want to use it. So if you look here, it's been a little bit over an hour since we started, because the story was an hour long. So it's just barely off, but there was no big spike in views right when it went live. Everyone just kind of gradually joined. So I assume that most people either didn't get notifications, or I assume that people didn't get notifications and they just saw it was premiering, so they joined. Because if you look here, it says that 3.2% of the views came from notifications. So I don't know if this is an issue with the Premiere thing. I'm gonna do some more Premiere videos and kind of test that out to see if it's only Premieres and it's just a bug. But then also, if you notice this big spike right here, that was when the Premiere ended. So like that was when it was over and it went back to being a normal video. I don't know if people got notified then, or what. I also don't know if the Premiere, like it shows to a limited amount of people, because during it was still a fine number. We had about 30 people consecutively, which is about the amount that I get on a live stream. And for this series, this is the I'm a cop and I keep getting called to the same house. That's one of my more popular series. On all the other ones that I've uploaded, usually within the first hour, there have been around 400 or 500 views. And this one, it's been a bit over an hour since it went live, and it's at about 200. So I think that most people that would have clicked on it didn't know about it. And I wonder if now that it's just gone to being a regular video, if notifications will never go out for this one, because I don't think it'll tell me how many people. I guess I could do math and see 3.3% of 250, but I don't want to do that. So I think that it's an awesome feature. I wonder if people confuse it with a live stream. That did seem that there were some people that thought I was live streaming, and so they were asking me stuff and they were trying to use the bot in the chat. But I feel like they need to differentiate that. They have everything exactly the same as a live stream, except instead of like buttons where it says live and stuff like that, it says premiere, and not most people won't catch that. Also, I feel like doing the premieres might hurt a channel's engagement percentage and things like that in early watch time, which overall would hurt not watch time, but which overall would hurt a video's lifetime performance, because a lot of the video's performance comes from like how much it's viewed, the interactions and all that stuff, like within the first little like hour or so of it being viewed, or of it going live. And since most people were talking in the chat, nobody was leaving comments, which is fine, but comments are a big part of your engagement ratio. And so I wonder if they need to do something to consider, like either how many chats go through, or how many people came to the live stream and said something. I don't know if they can put that into the same algorithm that counts your engagement as a metric, but. And this isn't complaining. I really, really like the feature. This is kind of just like my first impression, my opinion on it. I feel like it's a really awesome feature that a lot of people would use. I would definitely use it pretty much every damn upload, just because a big part of my motivation to make music, a big part of my motivation to make videos comes from getting to talk to you guys and engage with you guys about the videos. So if I can literally do that right when it goes like right when I upload it. I'll probably make like 2 videos a day, but cool feature. I'm excited to use it a bunch. If you guys want to be there when I premiere videos, just make sure you have the notifications selected so that hopefully, even though only 3.3% of people got this one, we'll see if maybe next time it's different. Maybe YouTube just didn't notify people due to some other reason. I know that sometimes people say they don't get notifications. Cool. That's beautiful. Just backhanded the microphone. Anyway, if you want to be here next time we do a premiere, which will probably just be on the next video, make sure to select the notification icon, and then we'll see if it gets sent out to people next time. Alright guys, see ya.